Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2005 Yamaha Zuma 50 scooter. This thing is in great shape. Only 4,865 miles on this gorgeous 50cc automatic transmission, electric start motor scooter, brand new rear tire. Come by, make your motor scooter dreams come true for just $15.99 plus tax and license. This bike is not going to be here long. Don't miss out. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.